So hello guys, today I am going to do an exclusive unboxing and review of our product from Xiaomi. It is the MI's basic car charger in black color. I had ordered it from Amazon. So guys, let's start the video. But before starting, please like and subscribe my channel for more technological and automobile related videos. So now I am going to open the packaging. Now let's see what's inside this packaging. What we get to see is a simple box from Redmi. It has the MI car basic charger. So now let's look at some of its features. We get a dual USB charging sockets. It is lightweight, compact size, and it also supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 version. So here it is made in China, and the MRP of this product is rupees 599, but I got it from Amazon in just 490 rupees. This packaging is very basic, it's not too attractive, not so bad. Now I am going to open this packaging. It is a very simple packaging from Xiaomi. I don't find it so attractive. And here is our MI charger. You can look at it, guys. Now to open it, we have to push it from here. This is a charger. Guys, I find that it has a very nice build quality. The color is very attractive, and here you can see that this is the quick charging port. It is marked by red color, and it is the simple charging port. Overall, according to me, this is a very nice looking product. It looks nice, and see, the input here is 12 volt by 24 volt, and when you plug it in your car, the output is 3 ampere for 5 volt charging port, 2 ampere for a 9 volt charging port, and 1.5 ampere for a 12 volt charging port. Overall, this product looks very nice, and now let's get into the car and see how does it look when it is plugged inside. So I want to tell you guys that here you can see a ring. It is the LED tail lamp, so not a tail lamp, but it is a LED ring which looks too nice when you plug this charger in your car. Now guys, let's get into the charge and let's see how is this product. So guys, here we are inside the car, and we are going to plug this charger in this 12 volt 180 watt charging plug. Now guys, I am going to plug it here. This is the charger, and now I am going to plug it. As soon as I plug it, the LED ring glows. It's not too bright or not too dull, but it's decent. When at night, it looks very nice. So after you plug your phone and USB cable in this port, which is marked by red color, you will get Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge and fast charging. But when you put your plug in this port, you will get a simple charging. This is a nice product, and according to my test results, I think that it charges very quickly and doesn't take a lot of time to charge. So this was our review on this product. So guys, it was a quick review. If you like this video, please do subscribe and please like and do subscribe my channel for more technological and automobile related videos. Thank you guys.